Hello YouTube, it's Crazy Trader out here again, and I'm here to give you a stock review. Today, what am I going to talk about? You know, I'm a big IVR fan. I'm a big MFA fan. That is not the only stocks that I always look at, even though currently those are the two main stocks that I'm always looking at. But I did a review on CCIV a couple of months ago. Not a couple, I think last month, somewhere last month. I will add it at the end of this video so you can go back and look at it. When I did the review, CCIV was on top of the market. Okay, the price was pretty high, and I've been looking at it. I've been studying the charts and looking at CCIV for the past 2 weeks, and it's been crazy. Mind you, I don't own any CCIV. Okay, I don't own any stock of CCIV, just so nobody accuses me of a pump and dump. I don't even have the subscribers to orchestrate a pump and dump. Okay, so take that out of the dictionary. And secondly, okay, I have to say that this is just my opinion, and this is no professional financial advice. So you do this at your own risk, so nobody sues me. Okay, I'm looking at CCIV again. I'm looking at the stock price. I'm like, wow, this is a massive entry point. And if you are sitting on the sidelines, I've been sitting on the sidelines because I was hoping that there was going to be just a little bit of drop. I wasn't expecting a huge drop like this. Okay, I'll show you. Just before I take you into CCIV, I've done this already. That's what I'm saying. I'm going to add the review that I did on CCIV. I'm going to add it to this at the end of this video so you can watch it, because I've done this already. So I'm not going to really do it again. So CCIV is electric. There is a spark going into a measure with Lucid Air. Okay, with Lucid. So Lucid is going to produce the Lucid Air. It's just an electric vehicle, you know, luxury vehicle, and people are saying they are going to compete with Tesla. If there's anybody who's going to compete with Tesla, really, it's going to be Lucid. And I'm saying this on facts. Okay, I am personally invested in Fisker because I believe in Fisker. You know, I love Fisker, but I don't think Fisker is going to take on the market as Tesla is doing. So Fisker is going to take on a different section of the market. I kind of know this. Fisker is not going after a luxury market, but Lucid Air is going after a luxury market. Okay, so they're going to penetrate the market with their luxury Lucid Air first before they start mass producing other brands. But this is what is going to take on Tesla. If there's anything that's going to take on Tesla, if there's any electric vehicle in the United States that is going to take on Tesla, it's going to be Lucid Air. Why? Because their chief engineer was a former employee of Tesla. Okay, and this guy is a little bit crazy and a little bit innovative. So Lucid Air has some of the, you know, longest projected mile range. That's 500 plus mile range when it comes to the battery. Their power is phenomenal. I mean, the car is sleek, and I'm not here to show you all the designs and all that. This is you can go through their website and also, you know, watch what you have to do. This is all part of doing your due diligence. Okay, this is all part of doing your DD. You just don't invest into stuff without doing your due diligence. So it's nice to go through their website. The CEO has a note. You can read it. You can watch their factories. There's so much information online that you can get when it comes to Lucid Air. Okay, so don't think you're buying CCIV just for CCIV's sake. You are buying CCIV for Lucid Air, and I think Lucid Air is going to do really good. I'll show you one more thing before I go to the charts. Okay, look at the institutional ownership of CCIV. 55% of the company is owned by institutions, and if you know this, institutions hardly sell. These guys hardly sell. Okay, so currently 55% of the company is, or the shares is owned by institutions. They could be selling by now, but I don't think they are, because if you really know what Lucid Air is about, you'll be holding on to it. So most of the sales, I think, is coming by from retail traders, or personally, I think maybe these institutions are manipulating retail traders so they can buy more. This is what they do. They manipulate. They sell so many stocks, and then when the price goes down, they start buying. And when they buy, they'll buy it at a lower price, and you get it at a higher price. So 55% of this company is being owned by institutional traders. 45 goes to the regular guy. Okay, so you should see that there's a strong ownership when it comes to institutions. I was trying to go to insider trading, but I didn't get the information on insider trading. So I think because they've not joined Lucid Air yet, so you won't get that kind of information as at now. But now let's go back to Robinhood and watch the Lucid Air chart. Okay, this is from 1 week ago. It's down 13%. Just today, Lucid Air went down 12%. Okay, for 1 week, it's been down 19%. This is amazing. And for the past month, it's been down 14%. But this is a very confusing figure because Lucid Air was at $62 at the point in time. Okay, this was $62 at the point in time. So if you're moving from $62 to $24, that is not 14%. But because they were down, I mean, in the past month, they were down at $24. It looks like just 14%, but it's gone down a significant, percentage, coming from 62 to $24. I personally think, if you can see, I don't own any share of Lucid Air. You might think look at it. I don't own any shares. I can take you to the stocks that I own, and I own no shares of Lucid Air. Okay, so if I'm saying this from an investor's opinion, that Lucid Air is now at an entry point, and I personally am going to get a few shares because I don't have too much money right now in my account to spare, but I'm going to get a few shares of Lucid Air, and I'm going to keep buying on the dip till it gets to maybe 20 or 19. That is when I'm going to stop buying. But for now, I think it's a good place to buy. Because if the measure happens, because they've already announced that there's going to be a measure. If the measure happens, I hear they're going to Lucid Air is going to announce their stereo system, who they are partnering with. I don't know who they'll be partnering with, maybe Dolby or someone else. But if they come out with just a few information about what the car is going to be like, because there's a lot of other information that people about the tech that the car is going to hold, FSD, the full self-driving cars, when they are going to come out and all that. I think this stock is easily going to shoot up to $50. I personally think so. So I'm going to get in this stock probably tomorrow. Buy a few shares tomorrow. I put in some money into my account to buy some more IVR, but this is a good deal, so I'm going to divert a few resources into Lucid CCIV right now. Tomorrow I'm going to divert a few resources into CCIV because I think it's a good deal, and I'm going to buy some of its shares. Okay, real quick before I leave you to your faith. Okay, yeah, so I put in a little bit of money to buy IVR, and if you know, I've been collecting IVR for a long time now. To all the IVR funds, I have 1650 shares, okay, of IVR. So pretty good amount of shares right now. My MFA still remains the same, but I'm still building. I want to get to my IVR target, and then I'll concentrate on MFA. So my IVR target is going pretty well as planned, 2500, but right now 1600. So let's say 1900, not 1900, 900 more shares to go, and then I'll be done with IVR, and then I'll come back to MFA. Okay, so today wasn't too much of a good day because I was down a little bit, $500. That's fine with me, I don't mind. But hey, remember, CCIV, tomorrow I am getting in. You can sit on the fence, but if you have it, don't sell it. Hold it. Diamond hands. I mean, CCIV is going to get back to its former glory, okay? If you have it, don't sell it. Anyways, this is not a professional opinion. This is my own personal opinion. So, just to get out of your hair, you always know what I say. You always got to risk it to get the biscuit. Scared money don't make no money, okay? Stay safe, stay blessed, and peace.